Hello everyone. I'm gonna go today to play badminton because leaves both come hai, so I have to utilize everything. Badminton's here. I'm gonna go play, and then probably I don't know. I'm just kind of doing like a vlog. What's it? We're literally in my building trying to find a location of where can we play. Okay, so we've been playing for some time now, and my brother is such a big loser that he's requested for a break. There he is, look at him, he's so sweaty and tired. No, it's me, guys. I'm freaking tired, and I've taken a break now. This is tiring, or maybe I'm just a loser. We're done for the day, but I'm really hungry, and I know that I should be having healthy things and blah blah blah. But I'm really craving noodles. So what I'm thinking of doing is that I will go and do a review. I got a lot of comments of people saying that you should do a review a certain type of noodles. So I'm gonna go to a shop nearby and I'm gonna find a few type of noodles, and I'm gonna review them. So I'm not thinking of taking Maggi because that's very common. I'm thinking I'll take some EP. EP is also quite common actually, but I'm thinking of taking some different type of noodles and reviewing them and telling you all which one I like the most. Hello, I'm here to beg you guys. Please, please subscribe karo yaar. I'm doing so much mehnat eating noodles for you guys and recording all of this. So why don't y'all just hit the subscribe button and also hit the like button? Because I just saw my analytics and more than 80% of y'all are not subscribing. Like, it's not gonna cost you anything. Please, please subscribe. Thank you. So we have these three. We have Smith & Jones masala noodles, YY veg masala flavored instant noodles, Top Ramen chicken noodles, and Ching's Manchurian instant noodles. So I'm still thinking which one should I try first. I've seen a lot of videos and I've seen that YY is actually the best. So maybe I'll start with something that I may not like first. That is probably Smith & Jones. I'll put on some lipstick because Sundarta बहुत important है. So this is the Smith & Jones ones, and it looks a little bit bland, as you can see here. Let's see how it is. I'm actually very hungry, so probably my review might be a little biased, but let's see. It's not bad. I expected worse from Smith & Jones, probably because I've never had it. But this is not that bad. It almost tastes like Maggi. Very similar taste. A little garlicky kind of a taste this is. But I like it. Looks wise, it's not even, so I like spicy. So spice wise it's good. I like tasty. So taste wise, I think overall I would rate this out of 10 about 6, 7 and 7. I think this will be a 7. I think I'm gonna finish this whole thing, but I should not, because I have 4 other packets of Maggi to eat, and I'm gonna give this to my brother. Next, I'm trying the Top Ramen chicken one. I've already made it, and it smells disgusting. So let's see how it's gonna taste. A lot of people have come to me and they've said that Top Ramen is their favorite and everything, but my experience has been really bad with it. This is a chicken flavor. It smells really weird, something I would not want to eat. But this is how it looks. It has some chicken pieces, like small bits of chicken, I feel. Let me just, I can't pick it off for you guys. Here, I don't know if you can see it, but here. So yeah, it has small chunks, you can't say, small pieces of chicken in it. I'm gonna try some. Oh, it's so bad. I don't like it. I don't like this at all. This is a top ramen one, and it's worse than I'd expected it to be. I think it's like a 3, not even 3. It's probably a 2 for me. Very bad. Alright, so I actually forgot to mention that the Smith & Jones ones was of 12 rupees and the quantity was good enough. So I mean, I do eat a lot, but I can't eat in one portion. Like, I can't eat a lot of food in one portion. So for me, it was enough for like a snacking kind of thing. And the top ramen one was for 15 rupees and the quantity was a lot. The quantity was a lot for 15 rupees. Quantity was good, but taste was horrible.
I don't know how you guys liked it. My brother was like, probably I should have added some soy sauce and stuff in it, but I don't know. Probably I just don't vibe with the ramen taste. Maybe I don't like how in general top ramen tastes. It's not this specific one, but just in general.
Alright, so after the super disgusting top ramen, I don't think I'm ever gonna stop for it. It was horrible. I'm trying the Manchurian one, which is of Ching's. The Ching's Manchurian one. I'm hoping this is good. So this is again a 15 rupees packet and the quantity is good enough. It is almost as much as the top ramen and I just hope it tastes better. This is the Manchurian flavor, so I'm hoping it will taste like Manchurian. Good enough. It has a very strong Manchurian taste, but obviously because there is a Manchurian flavor. This is good enough portion, no? I think. Yeah. It has something in it. I'm guessing mushroom or something, I don't know. But it's nice. By far, I thought the Smith & Jones ones would be the worst. But it's turning out to be the best amongst the 3 that I've had. This is a good one, but it's not a very regular flavor that I would like to have every day. So it's quite basic. I mean, it's not basic, but I don't know. It's nice, but it's also not something that I would have just because I want to have some noodles. It's like you have to prepare, and if you're having some other food along with it, probably then. I think this will be a 6, 5.5. Sure. 5.5. Okay, so I've come here before cooking the YY one. I'm gonna cook this one. I just want to show you how it looks uncooked. It has some color in it. Which, okay, maybe if I can remove it. This is actually, the flavor is veg masala flavored instant noodles. But the noodles are flavored. Wow. This is great. So all of these 4 that I've tried, I've never had before. So this is how the noodle looks. We have some taste enhancer. We have some onion flavored oil in it. And we have chili powder separately. So there are these 3 things that come separately, and the noodle is flavored, and all of this for 12 rupees. This is just increasing the hype way too much. And if it doesn't taste that way, it has onion flavored oil. Can you even? Wow. And there's pure veg seasoning, and then there's chili powder, and then there's this noodles. I'm already overexcited for this. Super excited. YY, let's try it. So the final man of the match is here. The YY one, and I'm gonna taste it for y'all. There's some soup already left in the plate. Like, so it's watery, but it's fine. The quantity is way too much for a 12 rupee one. Like, way too much. It's impossible. Let's just look at it. The whole plate is completely covered. I showed you guys the packet had way too much for a 12 rupee packet, and I've hyped it too much now, and if it's not meeting that hype, then bye bye YY.
Bye bye YY.
Anyways, let's see how it tastes. It's good. It's not that bad. Maybe I expected way too much from it. Sorry, Mr. Noodle. It's not that good. It's surely a 5. Quantity wise, it's very good. If you, so I don't know, I'll tell you how it tastes, right? It is not good. No, so I'll tell you one second. Let me. It has this very Chinese flavor, obviously, but it has this thoda. I don't know. It's also nice, but it's also not nice. Probably I'm just used to how Maggie tastes, and I like how Maggie tastes, and then any other noodles you bring to me, I'll not like it. I think maybe the onion and the garlic flavor is not doing it for me. Yeah. I'm still eating it though. It's not that bad. So probably I'll raise it from 5 to 6. I think it's a 6, but I think Smith and Jones was a clear winner.
पिछली बार क्या बोला था? Outcast.
Alright guys, so I think this is a good vlog and I think I'll do many more like these. I had a lot of fun eating all of this and recording it for you guys. If you have had either of these and you think that I should have added something extra, or you think out of all of these three your favorite is not Smith and Jones was, then comment down and probably rate it in the order, right? For me it is Smith and Jones first, then it is probably YY. No, then it's I'm sorry. So I think it's Smith and Jones, then Ching's, then YY, and then I think probably a 500 others, and then Top Ramen. It was disgusting. Sorry, Top Ramen was the worst. So thank you for watching. It was super fun, and I'll keep posting such vlogs. If you want me to, review something else, let me know. You thought I was gone? Subscribe karo yaar. Thank you.